Hello and welcome everyone to another episode of Advanced React WordPress Theme Development. Before we begin to work onto the pagination, let's get the progress bar when we navigate to different pages. So currently, if you notice, if you click on the sample page, it takes some time for the page to appear, which means the request goes to the server, you get the page back from the cache, but it takes some time, and we want to have some kind of indication on top which lets the user know that something is happening at that point. Maybe the request is completing. So what we could use is we could use a package called NProgress. So if you take a look, this package is called NProgress npm. So this is the package that we are going to install, and you can read more about it. So the first thing we'll do is we'll install it. So I'm going to say yarn add NProgress, and notice that we are inside of the front end directory, which is where we are installing this package. So this package has been installed now. Now, to save time, I'm going to go ahead and refer to the pull request that I have. Let's go to the apps directory. So I'm going to go to the front end, and then inside of the front end we have pages, and then we have app.js. So this is the place where we're going to paste this code. You can get this code from the Next.js Headless WordPress repository, and I will leave a link in the description so you can check it out. So what we're doing is that we're importing the router, we are importing the NProgress from the NProgress package that we just installed, and then we are just configuring it. These are some set of codes. If you go to the documentation, and you'll notice that it is giving you different configurations. So based on that configurations, we are putting this here, show spinner equals false, route change start, route change complete, and route change error. Okay. The next thing we want to do is basically add some styles. Then the next thing we want to do is we also want to import the style nprogress.css. So let's go ahead and create a directory inside of the source styles, and we're going to name it as libraries. So we'll say libraries. And inside of libraries, let's create a file called nprogress.scss. So let's do that. And inside of this, I'm just going to import the nprogress CSS from the nprogress package. And I'm also going to add an additional CSS on the bar, and we set the background color to white. So if I run this back again, we'll say npm run dev. Okay, the next thing we want to do is basically import this file inside of our index.scss. So I'll say import and say libraries and then nprogress, and that's it. And then you just need to restart your development server. I've already done that. You can stop the development server and run the npm run dev again. Once you do that, and if you refresh, you click on sample page, notice what's happening on the top. If you try to look for it, you'll see that there is a progress bar on top, right? So it gives us kind of an indication that the request is going, and when the request is complete, the progress bar is filled. Okay, so this is pretty useful. All right, so we got our NProgress bar set up. So thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to continue with this in the next video. If you did like the video, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Thank you very much.